Hello, myself Dipendra Shekhawat. I'm currently working as a principal architect at GSK. So I work into automation unit where we deliver end-to-end hyper automation solutions to the businesses. One use case where it was like taking input from a chatbot and then real time processing it in multiple machines. So we took use of Automation Anywhere's WLM workload management platform, and then there was a Yellow Messenger, which is now Yellow AI chatbot interface. So I would say that was like invoking a real time automation. User would go to a website, type some queries and prompts, not prompts, actually queries in the chatbot, and then chatbot used to determine which bot to invoke behind this, and it used to give the information to the customer. All that was happening real time. So that I would say it is still till date my biggest touch in automation. Start with strong foundation. Begin with learning the basics of RP or automation. So there are many online courses, certifications. If they are interested into Automation Anywhere platform, which is one of the best, right? So they can leverage the university Pathfinder program and Automation Anywhere University. There are learning trials, there are certifications available. People can enroll themselves and start practicing. Along with that, they can practice of the use cases. Whatever concepts they learn, they should practice with small use cases using Community Edition, which is again freely available. People should focus on networking as well, connecting with like-minded individuals and forming a close community so that they can track progress, and in a sense it will be a little competitive as well to progress further. What makes Automation Anywhere stands out is like the early cloud adoption and integrating each and every piece together and making it as a one unified platform. That's what I really like about it, and it's very developer friendly. So it gives you a list view, flow view. These are small things, but actually it really makes a difference while working on a complex solution where you have to build a lot of bot files, and it's pretty organized. And the concept of checking in, checking out public and private repo. I would like to build something spam filter, or a bot that organizes all the emails, and it highlights these are the priority ones. These are like it can list down it can basically prioritize my email box uh, as soon as I log in for my day job. So it gives me, these are the 4 emails that you need to reply on priority and today itself, and these are the few things which is expected from you. Kind of a reminder as well as sorting your email. I would say the future of automation is very bright, and people should keep continuously upskill themselves with the various other technologies which are complementing RPA automation.